Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to be making 6 easy Valentine's Day decor projects using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. For the first project, we're going to be using these Valentine Day Hearts containers. They come 4 in a pack. I'm going to be using 3 of them because that's all I have left over right now. And I'm going to use this Folk Art multi-surface paint, and I'm going to give them 2 coats, and I'm going to let each coat dry in between. Let's continue. Now that the containers are dry, I'm going to snap them back together. They close pretty well, so I'm not going to attach them with any type of glue. And I'm going to take an apple barrel acrylic paint pen in a navy blue and a light blue. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to try and draw floral images or flowers and petals. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to do this to all of the hearts, and I'm going to mix the paints in order to give it a sort of like medium navy bluish, not too dark and not too light. So let's continue. So now I'm done with the designs and I let them dry. I'm actually pretty happy with the way that they turned out. I'm going to take these stickers from the Dollar Tree. You can find them where all the stickers are, where all the paper supplies are. And I'm going to put one of each of these hearts in the middle of the bigger containers in order for it to give it some pop and achieve the look that I'm going for. So let's attach these. And I'm just going to stick them with the sticky back that they have on. I'm not going to add any hot glue. The next step is I'm going to take these silver beads that I had. You can find some at the Dollar Tree. These are not from the Dollar Tree. I got these at a discount store and I've had them for a while. So I'm just going to use them to camouflage the sides of the heart and in order to give it a little more dimension. So I'm just going to go around and attach them with the sticky back that they have. The final step is I'm going to add these little navy blue satin bows. I actually just made these out of navy blue ribbon that I had, and I'm going to put them in the center of the hearts, and once this is done, this project will be done. So now they're done and they're ready to display. I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Project number 2, we're going to take this heart pick and this 4x6 frame from the Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be using some polka dot pink ribbon. I already had this, but I'm sure you can find it at Michael's or any craft supply store. Now I'm going to remove the backing. I'm going to remove everything from the frame. The only thing we're going to use is the frame itself and the heart from the pick. So now the little tabs that are on the frame, I'm just going to fold them back. I'm not going to remove them just in case maybe I want to use this frame for something else later on. So I'm just going to move them all the way to the back just using my hands. Then I'm going to rip apart the heart from the pick, and I'm going to tie it onto the frame with some ribbon. So let's finish this part. So now I made a bow out of the ribbon, and I'm going to hot glue it to the top of the frame. I'm actually going to hot glue it on top of the ribbon that's already there in order to hold it in place. Once I do that, this project will be done. I love that it's simple, it was easy, and it's really a cute, unique Valentine's Day decor piece. Project, I'm going to take this package of clip-on ornaments, they're from the Dollar Tree, and some yarn. All of these 3 different color yarns are from the Dollar Tree as well. So now these little hearts are cute as is, but I want to give them a little makeover to fit my decor. So fairly plain and simple. I'm just going to take the yarn, I'm going to glue the beginning part of it to the back, and then I'm just going to continue wrapping the ribbon around it without any need for hot glue until we get to the end part. So let's start wrapping. It looks like it's going to take forever, but actually it's a pretty quick project. So let's continue. So now that I finished wrapping all the 3 hearts in the yarn, I'm going to take 3 bows, 3 different colors, a pink, a red, and a white, and I'm just going to hot glue them to the center of each of the bows. A pretty simple project, and I think the hearts look completely different. They look a little bit more high-end-ish, if you want to call it that way. Super quick project, and I love how they turned out. This project is the quickest one of them all. I'm going to take a package of these little mini heart ornaments. They come 6 to a pack. I bought 2 packs. I bought a pink and a red, but I'm going to stick with the pink. And I'm going to give them a little makeover to make them look a little bit more expensive, I guess. And I'm going to add these little heart bows. I got these from Hobby Lobby about a week or so ago, and they were on sale. They come in a little package. And the bigger heart, I had it left over from a Michael's box of ornaments that I bought last year. So all I'm going to do is hot glue the little bows in the center of each of the hearts, since bows are a big thing this year. And once I'm done with that, this project is done. And I plan on putting them in a little dish bowl and just displaying them on one of my tables. Let's continue. For this next project, I'm going to take this 8-pack of craft ornaments from the Dollar Tree and 2 pieces of scrapbook paper. I got these, I believe, at Hobby Lobby. Yes, no, these are definitely from Hobby Lobby. They were 69 cents each, and I use them for many things. Now I'm going to trace the hearts on the back of the paper, and once I have a couple of each, I'm going to cut them out. So let's finish. Now that I cut out all the heart shapes from the scrapbook paper, I'm just going to hot glue them on top of the wooden hearts. And I'm going to cover those little hearts that are there because I really have no use for that. I want them to be solid looking hearts. So let's continue to glue the rest of the scrapbook cutouts on top of the wooden hearts. Now that I attach the scrapbook paper, I'm going to hot glue each of the hearts on top of each other, sort of in layers. I'm going to do one stripe, one heart, one stripe, one heart, until I have glued them all together. So let's finish. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take these little wooden ornament cutouts from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue them to the center of the black and white striped ones. So let's finish. And the last and final step, I'm going to hot glue these little black bows to the center of the hearts with little hearts, and this project will be done. It was pretty simple, and I absolutely love the way that it turned out. For the last project, I'm going to use the same wood cutouts, but this time instead of using scrapbook paper, I'm going to use contact paper. I had this little piece of contact paper left. It is a checkerboard black and white, and I'm going to use it to cover these hearts that I have left over. Now I'm going to trace it on the back of the contact paper and cut them out. So let's continue. I attach the contact paper to the wooden hearts. I'm going to take this table scatter. They're little felt hearts, and I'm going to hot glue one in the center of each of the hearts in order for it to stand out and give it a little pop. So let's continue. Final touch for these hearts are going to be more bows. I have a thing for bows this year. I guess they're so popular that I'm getting into using them as well. I'm going to put one bow in the top of each of the hearts, and I'm going to adhere them with hot glue. So let's finish. The next step in this project, I'm going to take one of the canvases from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to paint it with stripes. So I'm going to use some masking tape in order to divide the frame so I can have clean lines in order to paint them with. I wanted to use these hearts for something, and I really wanted to see them on a frame, but not on a white frame or a solid colored frame. So by using some folk art acrylic paint in a conch color, it's like a conch pink color. I don't even know if I'm saying it right, but it's a really nice pink color. I'm going to paint the stripes. So let's continue. So I want to add some sparkle to this piece, so I'm going to take Mod Podge glitter. Instead of doing the glitter separately and the Mod Podge separately, I really love how the Mod Podge incorporates these big size pieces of glitter, and all you have to do is paint them on. So I'm going to paint them on all on this canvas, and once it's dry, we're going to hot glue the hearts to it. So let's finish this part. So now all these projects are done, and I absolutely love the way that they all turned out. They were all fairly easy to make, using mostly Dollar Tree supplies. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that little bell to get notified when I post new videos, and follow me on all my socials. See you all on my next DIY.